8 Practice. The Michigan Avenue Athletic Club has asked you to create a flyer announcing classes with a new trainer. In this project, you create a flyer using a picture, a shape, and a text box. Directions 1. Start Word. If necessary, create a blank document, and save the document as W08practice_XX in the location where your teacher instructs you to store the files for this lesson. 2. Display the rulers in non-printing characters, if necessary. 3. Press Enter 5 times and type Spin with David. 4. Press Enter to start a new line. Five. On the Home tab, in the Font group, click the Font Size drop-down arrow and click 14 to increase the font size to 14 points. 6. Type the following paragraph. David Fairmont, licensed personal trainer, is starting an early morning spinning class designed specifically to improve cardiovascular health. The 45-minute class will be held Monday through Friday beginning at 5:30 a.m. 7. Press Enter 4 times. Click the font size drop. Down arrow, and click 18 to increase the font size to 18 points. 8. Type the following paragraph. David Fairmont is one of the club's new trainers. He holds a master's degree in health management from the University of Vermont in Burlington, Vermont, and specializes in fitness and cardiovascular health. 9. Insert tab and then, in the Illustrations group, click the Shapes button to display the Shapes gallery. 10. Under Stars and Banners, click the Explosion 1 shape, the first shape on the left. 11. Position the mouse pointer over the first paragraph mark at the beginning of the document, then click, and drag diagonally down and to the right to draw a shape about 1.0, high by 1.0, 1. 12. On the Drawing Tools Format tab, in the Size group, use the Shape Height increment arrows to set the height to 2.0, and the Shape Width increment arrows to set the width to 2.0. 13. Click the Home tab, click Select, and click Selection Pane. 14. In the Selection pane, click Explosion 1-1, and then click the Visibility eye to hide the shape temporarily. 15. Select the text Spin with David. Click the Home tab and click Heading 1 in the Styles gallery to apply the style. 16. In the Paragraph group, click the Center button to center the text. 17. Click the Font Size drop-down arrow and click 48 to increase the font size to 48 points. 18. Click the Paragraph Group dialog box launcher to open the Paragraph dialog box. 19. Use the Before increment arrows to set the before spacing to 36 pt, and then click OK. Deselect the text. 20. In the Selection pane, click Show All, and then close the pane. 21. Click the Insert tab. Then, in the text group, click the Text Box button, and click Draw Text Box. Position the crosshair on the blank line below the first full paragraph of text in about 1.0 in from the left margin. 23. Click and drag diagonally down and to the right to draw a text box approximately 0.75, high by 5.0 inches wide. 24. Click the Home tab. Then, in the Font group, click the Font Size drop-down arrow and click 24. 25. Type class size is limited, so sign up now. 26. Position the insertion point at the end of the last paragraph of text in the document and press Enter. Click the Insert tab and then in the Illustrations group, click the Pictures button to display the Insert Picture dialog box. 28. Navigate to the location where the data files for this lesson are stored. 29. Click W08 practice_picture and then click Insert. 3. You may use a scanned picture instead. 30. On the Picture Tools Format tab, in the Size group, use the Shape Height increment arrows to set the picture height to 2.5. The width should increase automatically to keep the picture in proportion. 31. Double-click in the header area and type your first and last name. Press Tab twice to move to the right tab, stop and type or insert today's date. 32 close the header. 33 save the changes to the document. 34 with your teacher's permission, print the document. It should look similar to figure 8 to 2 on the next page.